Okay, so I am going to share how it actually looks to make this shake. So I thought about this at the end, right? I just do it automatically. But here it is. Here's the bananas and the mango, right? And then here are the Juice Plus capsules that I threw in here. Let me see. Here is, okay, I just kind of threw them in, y'all. I got them covered up with the mango, but they're all in here. And so I'm going to put the ice in and the milk and all. So hold on. Okay, so here is the orange juice right here. This is the juice that I like right here, the Simply Orange, but you can use any juice. So then I just pour it down in here in the blender like that. And then here is your silk milk. And I like this milk here. And you can use either that milk or your, you can use almond milk. And then here's my ice. I just pour that in like that. And then I think that's all I put in here. Yep, that's it. And then I put the top on the blender like this. And we have a setting on here. This is the blender that we have. We have the Black & Decker. And it has a setting on here for smoothies. And I love it, right? So I turn that on. And then I'm going to put it on the setting for smoothie. But first I like to hold the top down. So I make sure the top is down good. And then we just whiz it up like that. You see those, you see the Juice Plus in there? You see it? It's in there, right? And so then I turn the power off, take my container of the smoothie, and then I'll pour it in my container. All right, so then here's my container here that I pour it in. This is from our NutriBullet blender that we had. So I just pour it in like this. And you see you have a little bit more left over, right? So I just drink it down until I'm able to pour the rest in. And I put the top on, right? Like this. Put the top on. And I have a big silicone, I guess it's a silicone straw. And I put that down in there, y'all. And this is good eating right here. It tastes so delicious. It's really good. So I will share my other recipe with you on the next video, okay? Because I have another version that I like, and it is delicious just like this. All right. Hope you enjoy.